right, so we're looking at some of these practice IB problems. I had someone ask me about question 3 here. Okay, so what we know is we're talking about lizard eggs, apparently, and we have a box and whisker diagram with the quartiles. And we're told that the interquartile range is 20 grams. So what I know is that U minus L has to be 20. And we also know that there are no outliers in the results. Well, the definition that the IB uses for an outlier is more than 1.5 times the IQR away from the quartiles. And so what that means is that you add 1.5 IQR to the upper quartile and you subtract it from the lower quartile. And if something is an outlier, that means that it's further away from the quartile than 1.5 IQR. Okay. And so our IQR that we just got is 20. And so what that means is that we cannot be 30 away from U, can't be more than 30 away from U, or more than 30 away from L. Okay. So it says here, find the minimum possible value of U. And so the minimum possible value of U has to be 75 minus 30 is 45. And that's the minimum possible value of U. Because if U was anything less than 45, then 75 would be too far away from the quartile. Because it has to be less than or equal to 30 steps away, 30 grams away from U. And similarly, I could look at L and know that L is 30 away from 10 and conclude that L can't be any bigger than 40. Okay. That's part A. Part B talks about the minimum possible value of L. Okay. Well, I know that U minus L is 20. So if 45 is the smallest U value, then 45 minus 20, which is 25, is the minimum value of L. Okay. And that, just double check that that doesn't break our outlier idea, and it's fine because 25 and the lowest value of 10 are closer together than 1.5 IQR, which is 30. So that's it. Let me know if you had any questions. Happy to help.